how you doing? Today, this video, super quick, super easy, and the word we love to hear, super affordable. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, it's affordable. It's probably one of the most affordable things that I do in my makeup routine, and it's my brows. So, I just used 2 products today, both NYX, both affordable, and I show you how to get these brows. So let me just stop talking, and if you want to see how I do my brows, you keep on watching. That's what it looks like. Just a little duo thing with this little gel thing. I don't use that. I think that's also supposed to set your brows, but like, I don't. And I don't use the tools it comes with. I don't use those. In case I need a spoolie, then maybe I'll use that spoolie. But I just use this Sephora tight lining eyeliner pencil. You're also not supposed to use that for your brows, but I do it anyways. What I do is I just quickly, this is a lighter shade than my brows, and it kind of just like highlights my hairs. It doesn't darken them, it just highlights them. I just run this through my brows. I don't really know if it does anything. I'd like to think it does, but I just run that through my brows as I just like softly just tap that into the darker shade, which pretty much matches the shade of my brow. And I just start wherever I feel like starting. I have no rhyme or reason, but I just start kind of slowly work in the product to shape my brows. And in between everything I'm doing, I will spoolie them and blend it with my actual brow hairs. I also cut off the tails of my brows. I shave them off because, I don't know, TikTok said to do it one time, so I did it. And honestly, it's been life-changing. My natural brows will literally go down to here, and I'm sorry, but that's like not cute, at least to me. So shaving off my brow tails has actually made my brow routine so much easier. Now this is going to be more time consuming rather than using like a brow wiz, but I like the results of this a lot better than using a brow pencil, so yeah. But I'm just gonna work this in and kind of show you what it looks like. So that's one brow done, and I could conceal it. I don't think I'm gonna conceal my brows today. I just don't really feel like doing it. But if you're really trying to go for a snatched brow, I usually will also conceal and highlight underneath my brows just to bring more definition into that underline right there. But that is basically what I do, and I'm just gonna do the other brow super quickly, and I will be right back. Again, to some people, it might take them longer to do brow powder, but honestly, I truly think with brow powder, you can actually make your like brows look more natural. And I know this is not natural, this is definitely snatched brows, but on my no makeup days, I can make my brows just look slightly natural and shaped. And I don't know, I think brow pencils for me right now, I'm just taking a break on them because brow powder is really pigmented and you just have to have a light hand with it. You just have to be careful, but I don't know what it is, but I really like this. And for somebody that struggled with brows for a very long time, to me, for right now, I'm digging this. Alright guys, so that is my brow routine. That's my brow tutorial. It's what I do for my brows. I don't know, it's super affordable, it's super cheap, and it's a lot cheaper, I know for a fact. These 2 products combined probably doesn't even touch the product or the price of an Anastasia brow wiz thing. Let's talk about this real quick. Not only is this so much cheaper than Anastasia Beverly Hills or any brow like pencil that I can think of right now. Not only is this cheaper, but there's a lot of product in it. It's 2.65 grams. This is gonna last you, in my opinion, this is gonna last so much longer than a brow wiz. Brow wizzes for me do not last that long, and I think it's because I use hard pressure to get the pigment and you're just wearing it down. So this is my thing for now. I don't know how long this little phase of mine is gonna last, but this is my brow tutorial and the products that I use. Like this video if you found anything helpful. You know, comment down below if you want to have any conversations, if you have any questions, comments, concerns. I'm here to answer any questions that you guys have. I tried to explain it the best that I could, but I definitely could answer any questions you guys might have about it. Subscribe to my growing channel. I'm trying to get to 300 subscribers, and it's a lot easier than having to type in my name every single time you want to watch a video. If you just subscribe, I'm right there. I'm right in your subscription box, and it's so much easier to watch any future videos that I might be coming out with. Hit the notification bell. It just makes it easier. You get notified anytime I upload, and that way you don't miss out on any of my future videos. If you share any of my YouTube videos, and if you share this video on any social media platform that I have and you tag me, that way I see it, because sometimes people will make posts about me and then they don't tag me and I don't see it. I've came across things like accidentally. I'm like, oh my god, like this post was like made 23 hours ago. If I wouldn't have came across this within like an hour, I wouldn't even have seen it. So please, if you share this post on any of my social media platforms, please tag me so that I see it. And if you do that, I shout you out on a future video. So with all that being said, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Okay? Bye!